Hello friends, once again with next alphabet. And which alphabet? D, small d, capital D. And the sound is D. D, doll, D, dog, D, duck, D, dice. Dog says bo bo, duck says quack quack, and dice. We are playing Ludo with it. Right? So let's start how to write D. Always try to speak sounds when you are writing. Now in front of you, 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. And whenever we start small letters, we will use middle line. Means we start from third line. 1, 2, 3. I write down the numbers for you. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So which is the middle one? 3. We start from third one, right? So which is the letter which we have to write? You have to see that. First step is slanting line. You know you have to draw slanting line. Next step, slanting line, and then come back. Next step, slanting line, come back, and okay. Next step, slanting line, come back, go upwards, come down, make a tail. So which alphabet is in front of you? D. Once again I write for you. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. We start from third line. Okay. First of all, slanting line, curve, come back, turn in a slanting position, go up, same pattern, come down and make a tail. Which alphabet is in front of us? D. D. The dog. Bo bo. Dog says bo. Bark. Dog is barking. Again I write for you. See? Very nicely, and always prefer to write in a slanting position. D. Once again I write for you. D. So which alphabet is in front of you? D. So which alphabets we have done? A, B, K, and now today we have done D. So 4 alphabets we have done. 4 alphabets. A, B, K, D. Abacad, abacad, abacad. Okay. So how we will learn? For this you will see what I am doing. I have written the alphabets, and here you all have 4-line notebook. So for you I draw so that the concept will be clear to you. Okay. Now, dear parents, I request you, when the children will finish their 4 letters, they have to do dictation pattern. Dictation. Dictation. And what is dictation? Here, how you will take dictation, that I will tell you. For dictation, what we will say, we will ask children to write down the alphabets at one side. Now, you ask the children, come on baby, write down K. But you will not say C for cat. That is the wrong pattern. because in the class or wherever they are going, if they are doing something, that time nobody will say C for cat, A for apple. That is wrong. So when mama will say write down K, the child will write K. The pattern of dictation is, this is your margin line, right? This is your margin line, and these are the lines where you have to write down the alphabets, and here you write down number 1 dot. This is the way, and remember, always touch the margin line when you write the alphabet. Always start from here. Sometimes what children are doing, mama is saying K, and where they are writing K here, sometimes here. That is wrong. It's not the good pattern. Children, if you want to improve your handwriting, dear parents, you teach them the correct pattern from the beginning, so that when they will go to higher classes, they will learn how to write correctly. So which is the line? This is the line in notebook, sometime red, sometime blue, various colors margin line in English notebook. So there, near the margin line, child will write. What the child will write? Mama say K. Wow! This way you have to do dictation. Now next is, now mama will say, baby, write down A. Now what the child will do? Child will search the alphabets. Mama will say, baby, is it A? Baby will say, no mama. Is it A? No mama. Is it A? No mama. Is it A? Yes! So let the child circle the alphabet, and here the child will write. He will see, and he or she will see and write down A. Okay, this way you just teach them the dictation pattern. It's not just you speak and the child will write. It's the beginning. It's the first step. So let the child more smarter than earlier. You let the child ask, "Bachche, you write down first line, you write down ne. Second line, write down B. Third line, write down K. Fourth line, write down D. And afterwards, take a dictation. This is the margin line on the top also. And here you write down the heading, dictation. Dot. Sometimes you can write full dictation. Okay, heading like this you will write, and down the child will write the alphabets. So do practice. Till then, bye bye.